Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. I'm a registered acupuncturist and yoga teacher. Today's session is going to be a short one that it's going to help you to resolve any feeling of grumpiness that is set into the body from maybe the emotions of frustration, resentment, anger, and just maybe a bit of sadness. We say in the Chinese medicine that the liver is responsible for the smooth flow of qi, our life force, and blood. When we are afflicted with these emotions, the body gets tight, it responds. And in those tight areas are usually into the groin area. It can affect your digestion. It can run up into the shoulder and the neck area. So this short session is if you're feeling grumpy, we're gonna help to resolve it by working at the neck, working a little bit into the waist area. Okay, so get comfortable into a seated position. You're gonna have your feet hip-width distance apart. Shoulders are gonna be stacked on top of the waist. Let's go ahead and draw the belly in. Take the arms up for a nice big breath in, and then exhale, breathe out. Good, 2 more. Breathing in, and exhale, breathe out. Connecting breath with movement. Again, breathing in, and breathing out. With the hands at the heart, breathe in here and go ahead and twist to the right. Come on back to center, breathing in and twist to the left. Great. Keep that nice tall spine. Breathe in, breathe out. Place the palms like this. Draw the belly in, open up the chest and look up slightly, drawing the fingertips down to the ground. So we're trying to lengthen this whole area. Breathe in and out. One more breath in and out. Release the head. Take the left arm up, tight belly here, and then sway to the side. Great. Come on, back up with a nice fluid motion. In and out with the breath. Breathe out. Good. Come on, back up. Breathing in and out. Again, breathing in and out. Perfect. Come on, back up, lift, and release. Other side. Inhale, exhale. Again, breathing in and out. In and out. Last one. Breathing in and out. Perfect. Come on back up. Let's go ahead, release that arm down and give yourself some nice, beautiful shoulder rolls. Okay, that was 2 already for me. So let's go 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and take your arms all the way up and then place them gently, your fingertips on the shoulder. Go ahead and take one elbow up and bring it around. Other elbow up and around. I want you to keep the waist nice and relaxed. So you're gonna be moving up and around and moving so that you're almost as though you're lifting the sits bones off of the chair, but you're not. So there's movement in the waist and the hips. Now breathe with this. Inhaling, exhaling. Okay, so you're breathing in with the arm up and then breathe out. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Now let's do it the other way. In and out with the breath. In, out, one more on each side. Up and down, up and down. Perfect. Release the arms. Take your palms onto the thighs. Open up for a seated cow pose. Seated cow pose is your chin is gently lifting up to the sky. Roll the shoulders back. Stick that tailbone out. And then round the back, draw the chin right into the chest. Reach your fingertips to the front of the knees. Great. Again, breathing in, breathing out. And one more time, breathing in and out. Awesome. We're going to now that you know that open and compression here, I want you to widen your stance just a little bit. Make sure you're comfortable and make sure that your sits bones are nice and firmly planted. I want you to lean forward as though you're in a little bit of a cow pose, and then you're going to move into a cat pose here, rotating and moving that waist. Okay, getting some movement into the lower back, into the waist, and of course the inguinal area, which is where our liver channel just gets grumpy. So we're going to go ahead and breathe as we do this, in and out with the breath. Out, in and out. Inhaling, exhaling. Okay, other way. Breathing in, out. Inhaling, exhaling. Remember, we're kind of mimicking that cow pose here, and then the cat. So a little bit of a round back. And let's do one more, okay? Breathe in and out. Wonderful. Good. Now, when you're, keep the feet into this position, the knees are apart, go ahead and come on down as though you're kind of coming into a huddle. We're going to do a little secret here, but we're not. So take that left arm, or my left arm, your right arm, and go ahead, draw the belly in, okay, so you feel planted, feet are planted into the earth, and then go ahead and take the arm up. Breathe in for a nice high five to the side, and then imagine you're scooping, okay? Again, breathing in and out. In, lift up that hip, don't plant that down, and out. Two more. Open the chest, open the hip up, and down, and up, and release. Take that arm down to the other side. Lift, so chest and waist, hip is relaxed, okay? But both sits bones are gently on the chair, and scoop. Breathing in and out. In and out. In and out. Last one, breathing in and breathe out. Ooh. Now from here, tighten your belly muscles, okay? Press your sits bones into the chair. Take your hands on your hip. Tight, tight belly. Breathe in, come up, 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 up. Breathe in, tight, tight belly. Release. Well done. Go ahead and toe heel your feet back in. Take your hands to these sides of the chair and go ahead and shake out your feet and legs. Perfect. Now, take your hands on top of your thighs. Go ahead and look over to the right. Come back to center. Go ahead and look to the left. Come back to center. Go the right ear to right shoulder. Go ahead and take your arms down to the side. Great. Now take your hand to the top of your head. Gently place it on. So no pulling, retching here, but just relaxing the head. The hand on the head. Fantastic. Reach your fingertips to the other fingertips out, sending some energy. Breathing, and then release. Now release the hand on the top of the head and go ahead and look down to the bottom, to this hip right here. Take the hand behind the head and gently breathe. Inhaling and exhaling. Here's my doggy. Hi, Bubba. He just woke up from a nap. In and out. And then we're going to release the hand down. Go ahead and look down to the center. Breathe in, look up. Okay, let's do the other side. Left ear to left shoulder. Send energy out through the opposite fingers. Breathe. Good. Take the hand on top of the head. If it's too much, you can release the hand. It depends on what's going on with you. I'm going to release it now. Go ahead and release the hand on top of the head, and then place it, turn your head down to look at your hip, and place your hand at the back of your head. Again, no pulling or retching, but just placing, breathing here. In and out with the breath. Good. One more breath in and out. Wow, that is so tight for me. I don't know how it is for you, but release the hand down, look to the center, inhale, come on up. Now imagine you have a nice big grapefruit. Look up, holding it there, relaxing the shoulders, stretching and lengthening out this platysma here, this beautiful neck muscle. Look up, and release. Look ahead and look down. Are you breathing? And come on back up. Amazing. Now we're going to go ahead and do a little twist to close the practice. So take your right hand behind you, your left hand onto the outside of the right leg. Breathe in and exhale, twist here. Good. Breathing in, exhale, twist. Look behind you, and then look over the opposite shoulder, keeping the shoulders, both shoulders relaxed. Ooh, that's a beautiful stretch into my shoulder here. How does it feel for you? And then release. We're going to do the other side. So left hand's going to the outside of the right, not left hand, my left hand, your right hand to the outside of your left thigh. Breathe in, lift, lengthen here. Exhale, twist. Again, breathing in, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist. Go ahead and look behind. And then look onto the opposite. Breathe. Relaxing the shoulders, connecting with your breath helps you to calm. Find that calm. Inhale and then exhale. Unwind. Let's go ahead and roll out the shoulders for 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Take the arms all the way up. Breathe in and breathe out. I'd like you to take your hands, one on top of the belly, the other on top of the heart. Breathing in here, starting from the belly. Bring it all the way up to the top of your chest where the heart is. So you're feeling it from one hand to the next. And then release it all the way out. Do that again, breathing in through the belly. And then let it come all the way up to that hand. And then exhale, release it out. Feeling a little more rooted and grounded. A little bit more like yourself. One more time, breathing in. And then release, breathe out. We're going to close the practice with our hands on top of our thighs. I'd like you to close your eyes, find your breath, and try to relax from the top of your head all the way down to your sits bones. And then from your sits bones, breathe in, and then relax the legs all the way down to the toes. Take one more breath, inhaling. And now breathing out, relaxing from your head all the way down, 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 down to your toes. Breathe out. Well done, everyone. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. I hope you feel a little more relaxed, a little more lifted in terms of feeling a little more light, a little less stagnated. Have a wonderful day. Please comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this practice. Peace. Namaste.